Hello Featherhead, I'm Louis Heartfeather. Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be playing Risk Arena once again. Who we're playing, I don't know. I haven't decided that yet. I'm honestly going to try out the Artificer, but I haven't gotten a thumbnail ready for her yet, so let's do Commando again. It's been a while. I've done Multi and then Bandit. I haven't done Huntress or Pounder, Loader, whatever. Let's do this, shall we? And I left that on again. It's actually been quite a week since I last played this, so I do apologize if I'm a bit rusty. I got chests over here I can open. We get... oh, it's not that bad, but it's good for getting around the map, but not really good for combat, which is something you want a lot early on. Anything up here? Technically, yes. Rusty key, alright. Wish I knew where that chest was so I can use this rusty key, but I don't know if it spawns in this area. Actually, can you hold on to the rusty keys and use them in later zones? Like, let's say you get a rusty key in zone stage 1. Sorry. Can you keep it and use it in like a stage 5? Like, is that a thing you can do? Because that'd be interesting. This is actually also going to be a test recording of a format I want to try. Since nothing particularly interesting happens in the first zone, apart from some minor items, I'm thinking apart from any other... like, I skip the chests over. I'll see if that works. If it doesn't, I'll probably just leave this raw like I normally do. Yeah, it's just something I want to try. I did not mean to get frozen there. Okay, that was a lot of chests. See if I can't find any more. Oh, there's some. That's a lot of these luminaries, that's what I call them. I wonder if I could do other games. Playing this is fun, and recording it is fun. I'm just wondering if there's like another game I could do with this. I know I'm doing Warhammer Dawn of War, the normal campaign. I didn't know if there's another one after this I could do. Okay, what boss did we get? Alright, the thing's not that bad. Oh, I forgot these guys spawn. Yeah, I don't know if this is going to be a successful run. Because I did not get any damage items apart from the Will-O-Wisp foam, jar, and the... Yeah, I have not gotten much damage for this. And I seem to be getting just slammed into the ground. Oh, I got an achievement? I can hear stone golem nearby. I think it's actually, yeah, there it is. Oh, there's actually 2 stone golems. Great. I heard something behind me. Okay, let's get this chest and run away like a little bitch. I wonder how people condense this into such a short video, with some people doing it for like only 10 minutes for an entire run. I guess it's just something that comes with experience. Banner, grenade, mystery. These all suck. Shame there's no zoom. Sticky bomb, focus crystal. I'll take focus crystal over bomb. At least I can deal damage as long as they're close by. I don't want the war banner. That's not gonna really help me. Like, at all. So, I think I'll do the mystery item. Hope to get something good. Oh, what do you know? I did get something good. Okay, let's go. I might actually do an easy run in a few days. Just so I can say I've done something on this. My drone's gonna die. I think he got stuck again. Oh well. Yeah, I got stuck over there. These drones love to get stuck, don't they? Man, I better not get the stone golem. Okay, let's make our way over there, that we can use the shops while dodging all the fire. It may have been a mistake to leave all these guys alive. Never mind. You. Gasoline, glasses, topaz. meet shield generator. Shield generator. I'll try to take shield generator over the health, because at least that thing recharges and isn't really affected by. At least I don't think it's affected by debuffs. You know, I think teddy bears have actually saved my life before. Take this. I think I'll also do a loader run. Because I don't think a lot of people do loader runs. For the simple fact of you're melee in a ranged combat game. And also it's hard as heck to fight some of the flying enemies. I know this because I tried. Wasn't fun. Jesus, how many golems are gonna spawn? I haven't been playing for that long. Once again, I find myself wishing I had a melee attack. Alright, stun isn't that bad. Oh, you've gotta be fucking shitting me. I'm on stage 2, and I got the fucking motherload of goddamn stone golems. I don't even got a piece of equipment that could even this out. No, instead I got this freaking mess of golems. I can't even, it's spawning more golems. If I can take these out one at a time, that'd be better. Oh my god. There's more golems spawning. There, that's the one thing dealt with. I'm not dealing with all these freaking small or other golems. I saw that out of my eyes. Gotta deal with all these guys first, or else they'll just knock me out of this. Wish I get more teddy bears just to block the damage. Okay, let's get out of here before more sites spawn. Oh good, Rally Point Delta, my favorite. See a piece of equipment down here. And it's expensive. At least there's not different luminaries. I've got 2 green skulls coming after me. Oh joy. Oh joy. Stone golems, bison, and the green skulls. Just what my day needed. Are you at least a better piece of equipment? No. You're not. But you know what? I'll try you out. That is not good at all. Like, I think that's actually really bad unless you're late when you're getting tens of thousands of dollars. So you just dump rounds. And I am out of here. This is not fun with the amount of enemies this house. Why are there so many? Seriously. That's several golems, more luminaries, and more imps. I might just do the easy run just to relax and play rather than stressing out because of the amount of fucking enemies that are spawning. Did I accidentally mess with something on the spawn rate? I don't even know if I could. Wish it had a tally for the amount of enemies you kill. Like, I know it doesn't sound very practical, especially with each zone having a unique enemy. But it'd still be nice to know how many map or wisps I've killed, luminaries, golems. At least I won't be lacking for funds. Oh, Jesus. 3 bison. More stone golems. I'm literally bouncing from thread to thread. Yeah, I'm doing an easy run after this. Screw doing normal. I haven't let go of the trigger. Seriously, I have not let go of this freaking mouse button. Oh look, another fucking bison. You know, I actually got a broken run on McGregor's profile. And I don't mean good broken, I mean bad. Apparently there's a glitch on console where if you can sometimes get a stage where you can't damage certain enemies. But certain enemies in those stages are mini bosses. So it becomes this thing where you have... I have 3 mini bosses. Imp after imp after imp. Oh, sweet Mother Moses. Just die, please. It should not be this hard to freaking get items. Prism. Oh, I was hoping that was like stacked together. It would be awesome if I could stack. Come on, please, something good. Ooh, that is good. I need that. If I could get all the status effects, that'd be good. Sathex plus DPS, probably aiming for a good combo. I wonder if you have more than one of these quail? Snow quails, whatever the heck they're called. I wonder if they stack, like the more you have, the more distance you gain when you jump. Oh, you got fucking shitting me. That's 5 golems. Just keep your distance. That'll make this go by a lot faster, especially with the one item making this a lot better. I have a chance, and I think that's about it here. No? What's in here? No, thank you. Okay. Oh. Oh. Well, by the looks of it, you do gain distance. So that's good. Now I gotta take care of these guys before I can go do anything. How long have we been recording? Half an hour? Come on, something good. That's not good. Palmarine. What is that? I've got no kill skills. And we spawn golems. I hate golems. Why are there so many golems? Why are there bison now? Really, there should not. Look at how many there are. I'd rather take more soldiers than bandolier. Because at least that way I can use it. Oh, jeez, Pete. Not even gonna bother. That's not worth it. Oh, you fuck me in the ass and call me Jerry. Yeah, I actually got this zone when I was playing as, who was I playing as? I think I was just playing soldier or commando, but I got in this zone where you can't do anything. when you can't damage the guys like this, because I got this guy, the Elder Saurian, and I believe one other. I would love to know what the fuck's going on. Oh, and I also got that guy. Wish I had something that increased it. What was that one item that increased fire rate on my usage? No, that was for equipment. I can't use that. More fucking golems! Fuck, I hate these golems. That's another 5 for the tally. If I could fucking count them, I would. If I think I'm over double digits alone. I think I regret grabbing these fucking prisms. Is there anything up here I can use? No? Fine, fuck you. Oh look, there's the final mini-boss. Oh look, a rusty key. I'm gonna kill this fucking game. Oh look, a third mini-boss! I have to use this just so I won't die in the next 30 seconds because I decided to spawn 3 Elder Saurians. That's opened. Bandolier! Goody! Just what I needed! Fuck you! Normal like you, take the few items I do have. Shield Drainer! That's good! Flashbang! That's decent! I'm on stage 4, I have shit items. Apart from speed, which doesn't work half the time. If I can get freaking ammo, or not the ammo. Something that would increase the times I can use my abilities, that would be better than this shit. I know it would, but no, I get stuck with this. My main damage dealers are freaking debuffs. Oh, and I'm going into a harder difficulty already. This is utter horse shit. Wish I did damage, but no. I get all the fucking luminaries. least now I can go reasonably past stage 4. Or past stage 3 for once. Stop spawning luminaries! You spawned 2, didn't you? You're a horror game. Like, just a straight horror. You gotta fucking dodge. 2 clean dude striders. What the fuck was that? Did it just spawn all the fucking golems? It spawned two clean doom striders, 2 elder saurians, a shitload of luminaries, then all the stone golems again. I think it has a set limit it can spawn, and I think it constantly does that. And I got... Oh, that's just ass. But hey, I unlocked the survivor, so that's good. I'm done. If you guys liked the video, please like and subscribe.